busuafo ande nsem bia ba beton bonten so a efa ya nkasa ye papa ye bra ya de nyina eye Kevin Taylor a ne nsem o ke nyina ne se ya de ono no betumi egu eye ya nkasa ya Adonko famiko efa for betumi egu business na egu eye ya nkasa ye papa eye Dr Kwaku Oteng ni business ni nyina esan se oni na Yaa Brefo enya beef akasakasa ewe ye manga ne mu hanom si enne ma na kwenya enotumi ka asasem no na ebusuafo ya de ya nkasa yes na Yaa Brefo chese odin me betum bonti so efa ya Mac Brown ho ene ya nkasa sister Miss G ho na Abraham nsem ne betum bonti so na Kevin Taylor de na no kotum na Kevin Taylor de na no kotum na Yaa Brefo se ende Kevin Taylor isomo ade ya ba ye wodi ase wogide se wo ye be ma pa dia bro manga ne mu anu se be fon hie ni wa mobroni bi ba pa na ende tete na mienu nyina mo bobra mbo manu na ebe hu se wo ye be ma mu na ebo me nkwa na nkwatena ma ono ne nkwa nkope broni ono no wo ni bibia dada na ono ne mbobra na wo de ye ka be ma nka wo nye be ma kra wo ye be ma sin unye be ma munu da na enu na chese bibia wo ka papa enje trede na ya nkasa ye bra ya de nyina Kevin Taylor so be so mu no ka se na wo na Yaa Brefo ye kansa wo mbapa wo yoba bia wo no yetumi se wo no gwabra ba nyina no untumi crown so ponida wo so yoba wo ni be ma obetumi ada won chama de achede ne safafa ho no aka che wo say I love you wo yoba na chese nsema Kevin Taylor ekeka de nsem ne ni susumi kase me bie ni nyina mu wo beka so he me cha me na meka obi isi trodo enfe ma 20 yenkwa ne yenkohwe video ne mbra
Nana Yaa Brefo dede o nyina na say I tried to advise her to try and act and I said challenge herself like Nana Mac Brown. And honestly, in everything, you need to understand there's no way between her to Mac Brown. I think that the pain in her heart here because everything about Mac Brown here better than her. And obviously we all know how she was kicked out of a year Adom FM, her ignorance and how I don't want to dwell on the side issue she was dealing with because that nyina na medwin say girl we nyini kakra sebi oni baby fudwene nti na nko nyini onyimnyansa kakra o hwe na Mac Brown any Italian box here what screen is wa otum said there's a vast difference. I didn't even come here the day I talked about Mac Brown as I was talking to all of them that stop what you are doing, try and make yourself better. But say ende abrowa we are be almost 50 years can sit on TV now oka say memembra Ghana me ware oba hie ni na membe tete na ansa ne afra me be ma dia then with all due respect, no wonder. Say, Beman fan and some brand Honda Marinchim say I love you that. A hit no one. Yeah. Initial na focus bibi into the bibi, but Mysteria won't say we no then some can NCC so she was saying say a year oba wa bobra. Be me yira bobra chen o mame. Minya Bema sorry. Italian money box. Me yira bobra chen bebre. An hour every 2 minutes and every minute how much my wife is paid can take care of a year Angel FM all workers. Emba esoponi etumi gina ye say esoponi chichiri untumi so bi. Inti nyabotre odu onyonko be ma kasa bro ho ase. Upia bontina bobon tuma hye wonufu ase ansa na wenya wetuma bo Brazil. Bro ho ase na men bin kasa nkyerɛw. Ensa wo obobon tuma ntumago na bobɔ hye wonufu ase ansa na wetuma hepia na ntikrom. Menua be ma relax. Now if you are very ignorant. You are very, very ignorant. Also, TV's why it say Italian box, Oko Sosulo, any a year this area called Verona, or more Italian money box or white CB, and I like it to be das here. It's a more I saw your bar. Italian money box and I like it to be light one be das here. And so so in Tamo I saw your bar, many of them at Tennessee. Namin church and you may be muncho. Yeah. Now, you see, Saman way or can send be Tamano or Casano. Now, I think I listed one or two or Casano. She talked about come to Ghana from Obuasi to Mimi 2 Quine wo. Time 2 Quine, be man tosha also. Time I Mimi 2 Quine wo. Sa time no. Not your real more resaki and son of Adam. Bear my best sheet so. Time I Mimi 2 Quine. Now we ninti. Okotna. Ajantra for beshi diswa umfrisness watiti into wono brown once na da mana utu kwan ponie oba na ofonos oba na John nana Mac Brown me nimu no da I was advising you na me too for say free tete kwa nim na bra nipem na fe challenge yourself me say today say only journalism bioma. What would people say and say, yeah, Nana Yaa Brefo, where dear, we associate you with nothing. You are basically a piece of rag. It just moving around and saying you're a journalist. You have nothing that can be linked to your name. You have not broken a story before. You have not really done any journalistic work before. It's one case was saying. That is what I was telling you. You need to have something with you. What do you have with you? So I angel 1 hour no dien what dien e be associate what Nana Yaa Brefo dien news aba and ma bekan. Why interview the former president? Internet and find Kyle. Oh, you see a level of ignorance. Afe Italian money box won't be the other one. Wow, prayer, or to attention won't be the other basi. We are ignorant, we are dry. Wow, was anka chedie, wow, walks anka chedie. Messy, why they, wow, was anka chedie, Bibia no mubium. Ye chimu mua bibia ma, ye chimu musea, bibia ma. You are ignorant. Brown was in your bema. Na men church will be. Now there's one funny thing she said that I think it's important we address that issue. She was talking about social media. Social media. Hey, 2023. And these money boxes and my fellow men are working in Ghana say a journalist. 2023. You are standing on a media platform and also in a radio station where you saw camera. The Intina Kwekuting Ekoto cameras begu Angel FM. The Intina Kwekuting is spending money on data to make sure that Angel FM every day you go online, you are mentioning your handles and why people should watch you. Why do you think Kwekuting at the end of the day bought cameras and installed at Angel FM and put data on it? Why? Maybe because only your chain difference be you don't even understand camera studio no one tiasie. Today, Minya Bema, what should be say? Just say all this while, no, a zoo ni zoo ni akofu ebesi no abeti into one akansam. You are saying it's a social media, no? A man di agro. Do you know the number of people who have made millions in their life on social media? How do you see social media? 2023, a journalist in Ghana. You don't even understand social media. You don't know the impact of social media. You don't know the dynamics of social media. The dynamics in business. You don't know. You don't even understand social media. And that is where I want to focus on. Because the other Canadian we Italian box like it to be the dance in so and share that why I say Italian box one. But me person me try ba die ehiana so die ehiano social media somehow kai. Say social media e ho na madi agro. Hey, minua bema. In fact, ma minyi nipa ne free so na minja minua bema wo so. Minua bema. Wo se die social media e na nko e madi agro ho. Pija sansan tientia. Asisa kios nana and at the end and anoma jerry. Ma me cheche bibu mu nchiro. See this. Ghana for my catch them we no oma dwini so. They don't know anything. 2023 say journalist radio so and the same time with radio so no she is facing a camera data na ato and social media social media is for girls that me na enjoy media kana doing kame pamo. You cannot go out there and change my brand, help my brand to make money because you don't even understand the social media. Nipa 8% in the whole America and omutie radio taking decision when it comes to their political decisions, how they will vote. Unipemu hand gloves, nipemu condom asia be TV. Now me 9 so wo better make a 50 years enduro. Hey, brown once me bema. Odros to atete yele dan okasa nyina odros achi atonten odrosi ayi atonchen na wokasa. Wo se yanya odan nkurase for mabetena nkan monum kan kasa anyhow social media man akuntokwa wo ho. Hey, me Angel media nkan adwen kan me pamon. Now see.
Yeah, fellow Ghanaians, your friend First Anan, the doubting Thomas. Me wo any jesem sunku bi edebrewo. Di obi apene dachi bia no, eno ho adwuma ena oye. Se opese wo YouTube dachi, anase wo social media handles no dachi, eye perfect dia, then eye baby back. Ozitek, oho ena betumi aboa ama wetumi advance. na me catch you say Ozitech ombebua ama u social media handles ni na akoso they will boost it for you. Facebook ombebusto ama Twitter ombebusto ama TikTok ombebusto ama Instagram ombebusto ama na de wo mu kura ne say YouTube no hwe eba no subscribers ombebusto ama eba no followers ombebusto ama eba no watch hours and also ombebusto ama yes say e drop baby e wona na wo na so obi stand subscriber e sign add up umpewe na opede kaya moto ba na ze de na me catch us omo so making money ewo social media handles no say from YouTube or social bia social media handles na de me say Ozitech and the bebwa ama we making money ema wo nyambo every month bia you make money I bet me a sustain you abrabonum ombema wenya from 0 viewers to a million umpewe na opede kaya moto mbium se upe Ozitech echira kwan a enye rira kwan kra ma me fa number no ntubia se de be abetuna from na opese ukosua anase opese u boost social media handles na oni omu bedidwa 0598 697619. Me repeat number ni the amount 0598 697619. Ozitech na or say you make money every month.
Ye humesi Yaa bra Kevin Taylor to money yanka say sister nana Yaa Brefo sanso crampo de akwakọ fro yanka say papa Dr Kwaku Oteng esan say o sinti Dr Kwaku Oteng pa onko be employ obi tise nana Yaa Brefo so no so ka journalist one was say employ na no so your ba no ho nya fese oba na nim se ba ma enimi na we employ no na the camera scene so camera na ensa ya na Kevin Taylor no ajia busuafo mo mayenka abrante friend Kevin Taylor mpacho bia wo bia nyamisha on jutu e wo hono mo na mpacho meba school cause atem de den ya executive enya aboa ne kwase ne se wa yobi but executive atem de den ya meba school pa e wo hono kai say social media handles ni na ya attention TV so bobo mo de asaba like wa share wa comment e wo videos ni nyina eso so wo share mo abonti abomesambra ne frame ahema echa